What's up everyone, Arif here, and today we are trying something brand new for me. Now, we all know I love my energy drinks. I drink them a lot. I've done a lot of reviews and taste tests on this channel, but I've realized as I'm getting older, I can't keep pounding back energy drinks like they're bottles of water. Drinking 3 of them a day is becoming a little bit too much, even for somebody like myself. But I like the fruity flavor of them. I like the carbonation. That's why I'm not much of a coffee person. And well, somebody suggested to me that I try sparkling water. I never was a fan of club soda as a kid, but I was like, you know what? I'll try it. Why not? So today we are trying lemon and watermelon. Aha. I think that's how you pronounce it. Aha. So we're going to try this today and see how do I like it. And well, maybe with time I've changed. You never know. But well, let's dive right into it and see what we think of Aha. Aha. Okay, here we go. First taste. Oh, I'm still not a fan of that. Like, I don't know. There's that club soda, even though it's like flavorless, there's still that club soda flavor. And if you had it, you know what I'm talking about. But I don't know. What was that? Okay, so I taste the lime. I taste the watermelon, but it's definitely a lime overpowering for sure. It's like a hint of watermelon. This is okay. I would like it to be a little bit more punchy with the flavors. That would be nice. Right now it's very much, it tastes exactly like what it is. It's club soda diluted with some syrups, and that's cool and all, but I like something a little bit more punchy than this. So lemon, lime, watermelon, aha. Not bad. I can't say it's the worst I've ever had. I've just started drinking these kind of products, so we've still got a whole bunch more flavors to try and go through. But right now I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10 right now, just because the flavor is not very strong, but it's still a flavor nonetheless. And well, this should tide me over for at least a little bit. So there we go. Aha, lime, watermelon. Maybe wait for a few more of these taste tests to come out before you start throwing your money away, because this case of 12 was like $5. And while $5 is not a lot, it is a lot when you're buying carbonated water. So, you know, pick and choose where you spend your money. But I'm tangentializing here. Hit the sub button, give me a subscribe right now, and I will see all of you on the next video.